Hi geometry students, Mrs. Stanley here. I want to give you some quick instructions on your review activity for Unit 4. This is all about angles of triangles. Since I'm still at home, we can't do this together, so this is just to help you get started. So first of all, you have this piece of paper that has different problems on it. There's like 4 pages, technically 3 full pages, and then the last page just has 2 problems. So here's what will happen. You can start with any problem that you want to. And so you will just first write down the letter of what problem you're starting with. So for example, if I was just going to go in order, I could start with A. I'm not really going in order, I'm just starting with the top problem. And then here in this box on your answer page, you would work out this problem, whatever you need to write to show your work. And so for example, this is an isosceles triangle, and so it asks us what is the measure of angle D. And so I can tell by an isosceles triangle, these are the base angles. And so this is going to be equal. And so I'm going to have 2x plus 17 equals 8x minus 13. And I'm going to solve this to find out what x is. So I can bring the 13 over to add to the 17, and that's going to give me 30. And then 8 minus 2x is 6x. So what does x equal? 5. So my answer is 5. And then I need to use the 5 to find out what is angle D. Now, as you can see, there's probably not a lot of space to write, but basically what happens is I can find out what C or E equals. So for example, C is this one that says 2x plus 17. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 17 is 27. So I know that the 2 base angles over here, I have 27 degrees and 27 degrees. So I can quickly add those together. And 27 and 27 is 54. So this angle D is going to be 180 minus 54. And when I do 180 minus 54, I'm going to get 126. So in this answer box, I'm going to put angle D equals 126. And actually, you're welcome to just write it out like this. Now what you're going to do is once you find that, notice how it says in this part of the paper, it says previous answer. So you're looking for something that says 126. So you're going to have to flip through the pages and look for a previous answer that says 126. And oh, it's all the way down here. Look at S. So that means that S is going to be my next problem. So I'm going to put an S in there, and I'm going to work out this problem. Each time that I get my answer, I'm going to go and find it on another problem, and that's the letter that I'm going to write, and that's the problem that I'm going to do next. So if you choose to start with letter A, you know that your next one should be S. And what you will see at the very bottom, there is a little puzzle here. Record the letters of the scavenger hunt in the order that you solve them. So my first one would be S, and my second one would be S. If you started with A, you would have the same. You can start anywhere you want. So if any of you just feel like being different, go ahead, it's your chance. Otherwise, everyone will start with letter A. It's no problem either way. But that's what you're going to do and continue through until you finish all of these problems. When you're done, you can post a picture of this answer document onto Google Classroom, or you could turn it in in class on Tuesday. Okay? Thank you very much. Feel free to email me if you have any questions or you get stuck. Also, feel free to chat with any student who's sitting nearby to you that you could ask them if you're stuck on a problem. Thank you.